se me quitan estas ganas malditas de tomar.
How's it going, guys? This is your boy Lino from Texas Made. We're right here with our boys from Fast Monkey Wheels. I don't know if you guys were aware, but a while back we did order some 22s custom cut from Cali for our dually. We're here with our boys. We're fixing to install them. So basically we went with some 22s custom cut. You know how we do. We've got a little engraving right there, Texas Made. We got these boys from JK Motorsports all the way from Cali. They are direct bolt up. We did run into some issues. We had to order a spacer. The tires were hitting on the back. We got the spacers in. Now we're gonna install these boys. We've been hearing a lot of good feedback about Fast Monkey Tire Shop, so we came by. Hopefully these boys can take care of us and we don't run into any more issues, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Let's see how this bad boy turns out.
¿Para qué me invitan? Si ya saben cómo me pongo, ¿para qué me invitan?
Alright guys, so we got this bad boy back. We got the rims already installed. Check it out. It went by pretty smooth. We had to order some spacers and all that stuff. Luckily they were able to just slide in there. A big shout out to Bora on the spacers, and great job by Fast Monkey Wheels. They did an awesome job. So we got a little idea. We're trying to get some ideas on what we should put on the center cabs. So comment below, give us some ideas. I don't know, one of those floating caps with some money bags on there or something. We still got to do some work on the interior. Look, check it out. We got it all stripped up. So, you know, give us some suggestions. If you guys know somebody that does great work on interior and all that stuff, comment below any ideas you got for the project, and then we'll see where we take it from there. We did order a welding bit for it. It's at the shop. I kind of like the way it looks. Stock, it looks real nice. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we put that welding bit or leave it like this? See you guys on the next one.